Hello guys, thanks for opening this video, and in today's video I would like to share to you a method to fix no Wi-Fi network found in your computer. I'm using Windows 10 computer and I'm now experiencing the no Wi-Fi network found, and this trouble is not good because I cannot connect to the internet, and this will decrease my productivity. And if you experience the same problem as I do now, there is a very easy fix to fix the no Wi-Fi network found. Okay, I'll bet the no Wi-Fi network found seems like a big problem, but in the reality the fix is so easy and simple. Okay, I would like to show you now. And my computer now, there is no internet because the Wi-Fi network cannot be found in my computer. Okay, just like this. Okay, as you see, no Wi-Fi networks found, and this is not a good thing for me. And if you experience the same, that's a bad thing for you too, because you cannot connect to the internet. That's not good. There is one easy solution to fix this bad problem. Is when you open this, then choose network and internet settings, click on it, and you will be directed to the settings page, and you will see your network status and not connected. Just click troubleshoot. Okay, click troubleshoot, and network adapter will be detecting the problems for you, and the indicator will move on to find the problem. Just wait. Okay, starting network diagnostic, and then you can choose 4 options. The first option is Bluetooth network connection, the second is Ethernet 2, the third is Wi-Fi 2, and the fourth is all network adapters. I recommend you to just choose all network adapters. Don't choose anything else, just choose all network adapters. Okay, and then you click on next. Okay, but my friend who experienced this problem, when he chose the Wi-Fi 2, the problem was fixed for him. But when he chose all network adapters, the problem was not fixed. But he chose Wi-Fi 2 and the problem was fixed for him. But most people just choose all network adapters and the problem was fixed. Okay, so if you choose all network adapters but your Wi-Fi still cannot be found, then you can repeat this method, then you choose Wi-Fi 2. But I highly recommend you to choose all network adapters first. After it fail, okay, then you can choose Wi-Fi network. Okay, let's continue. Okay, the progress is going on. Just wait. Starting network diagnostics, looking for problems in network adapter, collecting result, and blah blah blah. Just wait. Okay, patiently. It takes about few minutes. Okay, let's now problem with wireless adapter or access point is fixed. Okay, so the Wi-Fi is now found. Okay, just close it, just close it, and now I'm back online. Okay, and the Wi-Fi network is found. Okay, that's my Wi-Fi networks. Now I'm connected, and all the networks around my area is now detected by my Windows 10 computer. Okay, now I'm connected. That's how you fix the no Wi-Fi network found in your Windows computer, and this is a very easy solution, and I hope you can fix the problem. And okay, that's it. If you have a question, or you don't you fail to fix the no Wi-Fi networks found, you can write down on the comment area, and I will share another method, but I believe this method is enough. And many of my friends or many of my kin who experience this problem, when I show this fix, and they say thank you, because now their Wi-Fi network is found. Okay, thanks again for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to click on like button. And if you like this channel, why don't you subscribe, because subscribe is free, you won't be charged for anything. Okay, thanks again for watching this video. See you again in my next videos tutorials.